going on, guys? Back at it again. This is gonna be a really quick video. This is a 2020 Equinox. Actually, this will you can actually do the same thing for 2018 through a 2021 Equinox. So it's changing the outer tail light, and this is the one on the driver's side. So it's cracked, and we found the one we need. And for these type of vehicles, there's actually two of them. There is a halogen bulb one, and there is a LED one. Make sure you have the correct one that you need for your vehicle. So in this case, it is a LED one, which is a bit more expensive, but still managed to get a really good price for the actual customer. So let's go ahead and change it out. So for this, you're gonna need a T15. That's what it looks like a little star looking type bit. It's got a little tab here. All I used was this little pry tool to pry it out and have access to it. Same thing with this one here at the bottom, and just remove it with your T15 Torx bit. Okay, and then make sure you pull straight out, and it'll come out. There you go, you have access to it. And this one, as you can see, it's got the little tab here for the LED. Pull that little red tab there, pull it out, then you squeeze. And there it is. Okay. That is out. All right, so whenever you put it back, just plug it in right there. You're gonna have this guide here, another guide down here, and another one here. So these, you're actually, whenever you put it on, make sure you come straight down and then just push straight back, and you're gonna just hear it set in place. That's it. Go ahead and take these little tabs off with your pry tool, so you can have access to installing the screws to secure it in place. Same thing with this one. Got your little tab here. All right, there it is. And get your screws. And the other screw. That's it. And you get your little tabs, push them in, secure them in place. That's it. Remove the film like nothing happened. Hope this helped out. Catch you guys on the next one.